The most important dress that a girl is ever going to buy in her lifetime is her wedding dress. When we came across Margot, we knew that she was that perfect match.
I've always had a passion for sewing. I came to Texas, started a tailor shop, and at first I was sewing everything, but once I started working with the brides, you know, just seeing how happy they were with my work and how satisfying it was to me, then that's when I realized that I had found my niche, my passion. And we work with one client at a time. We work by appointment, and we just strive to make each and every bride happy.
She is a blast. I have so much fun just being in her presence and talking to her.
I just had a wonderful time getting to know Margot from the day that I walked in. She was so fun, and whatever she could do to make my dress exactly what I wanted, she did that, and that is very hard to find.
She made you feel welcome and that she was going to take care of you from start to finish.
Fantastic, fun, perfect.
That's my goal, is to make sure that every bride has a fabulous and wonderful day and a great memory from the Fit Expert Tailor.